Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how I prepare this very delicious coconut curry shrimp and broccoli. Just look how delicious this look, guys. Look at it. Wow. Even the days we left behind, and now my heart is done with hope. Alright, so right here I have 400 grams of raw shrimp. I already peeled and washed with lemon juice. So first I'm gonna start by adding half teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper. Also 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of CAJUN seasoning, half teaspoon of minced ginger. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it all in. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes meanwhile I prepare the other ingredients. Right here I have 2 stalks of spring onion, also some parsley, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 chili pepper, 1 shallot, and I'm just gonna go ahead and thinly slice my spring onion. And guys, I'm gonna separate the white from the green, and you will see later down in the video why I did that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finely chop my garlic. I'm just gonna sit it aside, right? So I'm gonna do the same for my parsley. As you can see right here, I'm finally chopping my parsley. Also gonna set that aside as well. For my shallot, I'll be finally chopping my shallot as well. Alright guys, and for my chili, right? I'm just cutting off the ends and throw them away, right? And guys, I'll be thinly slicing my chilies. With my stove on medium high, I'm now going in with 60 grams of unsalted butter. Also gonna add my garlic. Guys, I'm just addicted to smelling the garlic and the butter. Trust me, the garlic and the butter scent is amazing. Alright, so now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. Wow, guys, this smells so amazing. Trust me, as soon as the shrimp hit the butter and the garlic, the aroma just popped up in my face, right? Alright, so now I'm going in with my shallot and also the white of my spring onion. And guys, this is my recipe idea, right? If you go anywhere and see it, just remember you see it here first. So now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of dry thyme leaves. Also gonna add some dry chives. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it all in. Now I'm going in with 400 ml of coconut milk. Alright guys, if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, right? Don't forget to do so. Just help me to bring you content like these, right? By subscribing to my channel. It helped me a lot, trust me. Alright? Even the days we Now I'll be going in with my broccoli. And guys, I already went off camera and cut my broccoli and also wash it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cover it and allow it to steam for about a minute before I add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going in with my parsley, my spring onion and my chili pepper. And I'm just gonna stir it, right, and turn the stove off immediately. Guys, just look how amazing this look. Wow, this is beautiful. Alright, so you have the finishing product right here. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all could taste this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, so you can just go ahead and serve this up with any size you choose, right? But as for me, definitely I'm gonna have mine with some white rice. Trust me. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test for y'all, right? Guys, look how amazing this look. Look at it. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it. Wow, trust me, yo, this is amazing. You need to try this, trust me. Alright, so now I'm gonna try the broccoli.